If you're planning to visit Thailand or even thinking about living here, this video is for you. Today I'm taking you on a walk through a neighborhood in Bangkok, and I'll show you what apartments here look like and how much they typically cost to rent as an expat. If you're planning to visit Thailand, choosing the right neighborhood is just as important as choosing the apartment.
Okay, sa mga nagtatanong regarding sa magkano babayaran sa apartment. So, depende din yun sa lugar kasi guys, na kung saan ka magstay. Pag mga ganitong lugar na very convenient and malapit sa mga shop, yan, so medyo mahal na yan guys.
Living a little farther from the city center can often save you a lot of rent while still giving you easy access to everything you need.
Sa mga ganitong apartment guys, most probably nasa, lagay natin, 2,500 to 3,000. So mga ganitong estilo ng apartment guys. Pero sa condominium kayong talagang maganda na, so expected yun na sobrang mahal na yun guys, fully furnished. So nasa 6,000 to 7,000 baht na yun guys. So ganito lang yung apartment. Yan. Una kung pumunta dito guys, marami akong natanungan, tapos pareho lang yung price nila. So ganun lang guys, pag mga 2,000 to 2,500, walang aircon yan, parang studio type. Pero may mga bed na yan, fully furnished. Pero pag gusto mo ng may aircon, nasa mga 3,000 to 3,500 baht. Pag gusto mo ng condominium, like lumang building lang, so nasa 4,000 to 4,500 baht. Gusto mo naman ng maganda talagang condominium na very safety with security and all. So mga nasa 6,000 to 7,000 baht na yan guys. And take note, normal naman talaga yung may advance and deposit guys, no? Dito usually pag mga condo, like 2 months advance and 1 month deposit. So ganun yung mga policy nila dito. Pero pag mga regular mga apartment lang, so mga 1 month advance and 1 month deposit lang yan guys.
So what do you think? Could you see yourself living in a place like this? Let me know in the comments how much you're willing to spend on rent if you move to Thailand. Alright guys, if you'd like to see more about daily life, the cost of living, and hidden places here in Thailand, don't forget to follow for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. This has been VD Pasino, and we'll see you again in my next video.